G'day guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Now today I'm going to make a basic tomato sauce, pasta sauce, pizza sauce. Quite simple. Here are the ingredients. I've got some tomato sauce here. Now when people make pasta sauces, tomato sauces, because of the acidity they put sugar. I use tomato sauce because that's already got sugar in it. A can of crushed tomatoes, some dried basil. You can use oregano if you want. I'm going to use half an onion and a couple of cloves of garlic. Let's get cooking. Okay, just in a medium-sized saucepan, we're going to add about a tablespoon of extra virgin Sana olive oil. Okay, now I've added my diced onion. Now, doesn't matter how you dice it, this is going to be blended with the immersion blender at the end. Once this is softened a bit, I'm going to add the garlic. Okay, now I've added the garlic. Now just remember, do not burn your garlic, or do not brown it too much because garlic will become bitter. So I'm just going to cook this for a minute or two. Once I smell that garlic, then we can get on to the next step. Okay, now it's in with our dried basil. Now I'm going to just put maybe a quarter of a teaspoon in there. Now, when you got dry herbs, I stated in my last couple of videos, if you're going to do sauces like this, just cook the dried herbs off for about a minute, and then it takes away the bitterness. So I'll just cook that for about a minute, then we'll add our tomatoes. Okay, now it's in with our crushed tomatoes. Now I will add water to this, so put that in. I'm also going to add the tomato sauce as well, and about probably half a can of water. Okay, now I've cooked this, I've let it cool down, I've dumped the immersion blender in there, I've immersion blended it a bit, we'll give it a little bit more. Now, as I go, I taste for seasoning, salt and pepper, and at the end I'll do it again. So I need a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper. So you season as you go and just taste as you go. So all we're going to do is hit the immersion blender. Comes out smooth, and that's it. That's all you need to do. You don't have to immersion blend it. You can keep it chunky if you wanted to, but this is a nice smooth sauce. Pasta, pizza based sauce. You can put this over chicken parma, cheese. Give it a go at home. Like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you later.